Okay, we are down here. Me and my friend Ethan.
Hi.
And we are ready to go, as you can see, fishing.
Hi.
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 Do it again.
Hi.
Do it
I'm
again.
boss at that. Hi.
Do it again.
Hi.
Something. Okay. It's right there. Porta potties.
I got donuts, everyone.
Donuts. Sissy. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Dismiss. There's a lot.
There's a big river from
Oh
Pearl.
my god. Okay.
Oh, frick.
Right there. This corner. Right this corner.
Right
Okay.
beside that guy in the Jeep?
Yep.
What?
Yep.
Is that where you caught the last fish?
Yep. We're gonna move a lot. I don't have to pull out my tackle box, right?
What?
Do I have to pull out my tackle box for you?
No.
Good. Because I didn't want to. But if it needed to be, I would. We'll just skitch him right here. We're not going for any bluegill or anything, so I don't see how it's gonna do much. Yeah, it's right up in them rocks. Don't hit that. Not too bad. Alright. So, you guys catch anything there? You guys fishing for?
Bass.
Do you need a bobber?
I was thinking about not using a bobber today. It's just like,
We'll try it, see how it works.
yeah, it don't matter to me. We can try anything. What? Stop.